How you doing, everyone? Gearhead Abe with an update video on the 1990 C4 Corvette. I did an upgrade I wanted to do the moment I bought this car, just to give it a better feel in my hands, and I wanted to kind of make it my own. I went ahead and removed the steering wheel and put in an aftermarket one. I'll show you that in a moment. Just want to pan around the car. I wish this car was in the sun, but yet again it's in the shade. Here's the steering wheel, guys. Tell me what you think of it. It's a Momo steering wheel. Let me just zoom in. I think it looks great in there. It really makes sense in this interior with the black wheel. But let me know what you guys think. This is I'll leave it in the description. This is a Gotham Momo steering wheel. 6-bolt. Well, what do you guys think? I'm sure it looks a lot better than the stock one. Yeah. But it makes sense in there. I mean, it looks good. Here, let me adjust the tilt steering, because it would be like this if I was driving. Right about there. Look at that. That looks good. Here, let me just sit down in the chair just to look at the wheel better. Let me just... Feels good. We had to get not only the steering wheel, but we had to get the actual hub assembly here. When you get this hub assembly, you have to cut about a 1/4 inch around the whole thing, because it just would not fit on the stem. It would actually hit this, so I had to take it off. As you can see, it's close. It's like nearly touching this, so we had to Dremel about a 1/4 of an inch all the way around, and now it fits in there fine. If you guys have a C4 Corvette and you don't like the steering wheel, I recommend replacing it and making it more of your own car. I went with this one. Never seen this one in a C4 Corvette, so I think I might be one of the few, if not the first. Maybe there's someone out there that has the same wheel. But yeah. Here, let me show you. Let me know what wheel you guys like more. Do you guys like that one? The Momo wheel? Or do you like the good old Grant GT wheel here? Let me turn the light on. I will tell you that the quality... Here's this steering wheel. The quality of this wheel, like on the Momo, it doesn't look kind of cheap like this one does. This was a $150 steering wheel, this one, and the Momo was $250, so there's a $100 difference. I guess that other one's handmade, and this one, it's just not as it's not stitched like really well, but it's pretty good. No complaints. But what steering wheel do you guys like? Do you like the Grant here? Turn this off. Or do you like the Momo? I do apologize for the airplanes. I live next to pretty much the busiest airport in the world, I think. And there's airplanes every freaking 5 to 1 minute. Or do you guys like this steering wheel more? And honestly, the stitching right here is phenomenal compared to the Grant. I guess that's what you're paying for, the quality. After all, Momo is handmade in Italy. Fancy. There's a stock wheel. If and when I do sell the Corvette, this one will be going back in it. the stock wheel. And guys, I recommend if you're gonna sell the car, put the stock wheel back in, because I think it hurts the value if you have an aftermarket wheel. I mean, I really believe some people will feel that way, but why wouldn't you want to keep your stock or your aftermarket wheel you put in, you know? So let me know what you guys think of the wheel. I happen to like it a lot. It was $250 for the wheel, $95 for the installation hub. So it's quite, I mean, over $300 for the wheel. Here, I'll show you the part number on the hub itself. I will say, let's see. There it is. 2702 is the model that you need to buy. So you buy this. This is for Corvette and Cadillac. And then remember, once you get this hub, you have to Dremel it down a 1/4 inch or so. You'll figure it out. But once you do, it'll fit on there. It'll look nice. I already like the feel of the wheel already. When I'm driving around town, it feels so much better than the Corvette stock wheel. Much, much better. Really makes sense in there. Looking good. I have yet to take the targa off. Can't wait to do that. Spring. This summer I will be deleting the air system out of the car. You know, the emissions air system. I'm gonna get rid of that, so I can change the spark plugs much easier without all that crap in the way. God, I love it. I really do. I'm really happy with it. Alright guys, I guess that's it. I just wanted to share this with you. I'll leave a description in the description. I will leave the model number, part numbers for the wheel and the hub. If you guys want to put that wheel in, you'll like it. There is the Vette. Alright you guys, this is Gearhead Abe. Have a good one.